Here we have the completed 2016 BMW M4, wrapped in 3M gloss plum explosion. Finished it off with some carbon accents here through the bumper, on the front as well as the rear. We did black door handles with a two-tone backside there. See that? Here in the light you can see the carbon. Really came out nice. If you have any questions on getting yourself a awesome wrap like this, feel free to give us a call at 239-217-9727, or you can submit a quote request at any time at wraplabswithaz.com.